Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Camon 18, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications and click on this pencil icon. And in here you'll find the screen recording toggle, which is turned off, so you want to tap on the minus button. Oh no, the other way around, I actually was at it. So I did just remove it, so let me add it back. So, there we go. So we can just scroll down. Once you find your toggle, you can tap on it and this will bring up a couple options. So we have silent screen recording and voiced screen recording. What? I'm not exactly sure what these are. I assume either record audio or record voice. So basically microphone. If that is what I think it is, it's the stupidest translations I have seen, but I guess we have to deal with it. So anyway, select whichever one you want. Obviously I would recommend probably testing this out first, just to be certain, but from there you can select start. And as you can see, it starts recording. So whatever you'll do right now, obviously it will be recorded. And once you're done, you can interact with the overlay right here, and this will automatically save it to the Photos or Gallery application. So I guess it's AI Gallery. Let's go into Albums, and you can see it right here. Screen recordings. Let's tap on it to play it. So there we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.